Do you know many people are having trouble with installing the replacement spool on their grass trimmer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Position lever correctly. Ensure the lever in the base of the housing is correctly positioned before inserting the new spool. Step 2. Clean spool and housing. Remove any dirt and grass from the spool and housing for a clean installation. Step 3. Guide line into eyelet. Unfasten the end of the cutting line and guide it into the eyelet properly. Step 4. Extend line to 5'3/8". Pull the cutting line until it extends about 5'3/8 inches from the spool. Step 5. Ensure line alignment. Ensure the cutting line is not crisscrossed on the spool. Rewind if necessary. Step 6. Tighten line against spool. Pull the beginning of the cutting line tight against the spool. By following these steps, you should be able to correctly install the replacement spool on your Black Decker LST300. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Black Decker users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.